Here's what you can expect when receiving an LTL freight shipment from Harvey Woodworking and how to best be prepared. When an order is too large or delicate to ship by standard ground carrier, it requires freight shipping. Most of our machines are shipped via this method. Our larger products are packaged and wrapped on a wooden pallet or in a wooden crate to keep them safe during transit. Once we finish palletizing your order and load it into one of the carrier's truck, we'll send an email with your tracking number and link the freight carrier's tracking portal on their website. Freight truck sizes can range from full-size tractor trailers or small box trucks. For residential deliveries, the freight driver will use the smallest truck available at their terminal. If you believe a large truck won't fit down your street, please give us a call or email us to discuss delivery options before placing your order. If your order has already shipped, please let the freight company know they may have difficulty reaching the address when they call to schedule your delivery appointment. If you need help contacting the freight company, reach out to us as soon as possible so we may contact them on your behalf. When the shipment arrives at the destination terminal, the freight carrier will call you to schedule a date and time for delivery. If, for any reason, you need the delivery date modified, storage or holding fees may be applicable at the discretion of the carrier. Please make sure you enter your best phone number and email address when you place your order so the freight carrier can reach you to schedule your delivery appointment. For residential locations, your freight shipment will be delivered curbside at your home. The freight driver will use a liftgate to take the shipment off the truck and place it on the curb. Once your shipment is off the truck, thoroughly inspect the outside of the shipment for damage. If your shipment has multiple pieces or items, please make sure to thoroughly check the piece count labels to ensure all pieces are accounted for on the shipment. If there are any missing pieces, notate them on the proof of delivery. If you see any visible damages to the product, please refuse the delivery, then call our customer service department and we'll set up a replacement order for you. If all the pieces are accounted for, sign the delivery receipt and the driver will leave. Remember, if there are any missing items, it is extremely important to notate missing item on proof of delivery. From here, you'll need to move the shipment from the curb to your home. If you think you'll need assistance with that step, please arrange to have extra help on hand. Alternatively, some carriers offer inside delivery at an extra cost. If you're interested in this service, please contact our customer service team. Once the product is unboxed, be sure to carefully inspect it for any concealed damages. We must be informed in 2 to 3 days in order for us to look into having replacement parts sent out to you. As you can see, receiving a freight shipment is easy. If you have any questions about the process, please give us a call at the number below.